Hello everyone, welcome to Sunscratch. Today we are going to review the 1x18 5-liter V8 Land Rover Range Rover Sport. Before proceeding, let's see the history of Range Rover Sport. The Range Rover Sport is a British luxury mid-size SUV made by Land Rover. The first generation, codename L320, started production in 2005 and was replaced by the second generation Sport codename L494 in 2013. The Range Rover Sport was prefigured by the Range Stormer. It's a concept car introduced at the 2004 North American International Auto Expo. The Range Rover Sport was comparably of much more conservative design, featuring 5 doors and a wheelbase hardly shorter than that of the Range Rover Vogue. Let's see the dimension of the Range Rover Sport. The length is 4783 mm, the body width is 1933 mm, the body height is 1788 mm, and the wheelbase is 2743 mm. The SUV comes with the powerful 5-liter V8 engine, and the seat capacity is 5 and the transmission is 6-speed automatic. The power is 510 horsepower and 461 Newton meter. The Range Rover Sport has terrain response 4-wheel drive type and also ABS with driveline traction control. The fuel capacity of the SUV is 80 liters. The curb weight of the car is 3125 kg. Ground clearance 200 mm. The luggage capacity is 623 liters. The maximum towing capacity is 824 liters. The Range Rover comes with 8-way powered front seat direction controls and also memory seat control for the driver as well. Regards to the safety features, the SUV has seat-mounted driver and passenger side airbag, and also it has the first and second row comes with side impact airbags. The sunroof is placed at the first row with regular express open close sliding and tilting glass. The SUV comes with 20-inch silver aluminium alloy wheels. Let us see the generations, timeline and engine specs of the Range Rover Sport. There are 8 generations from 2005 to the present. The first production year is 2005 with diesel and petrol engine options. Between 2005 to 2009, the SUV comes with 2 petrol and 2 diesel engine options. Between 2009 to 2013, the SUV comes with 2 petrol and 4 diesel engine options. Between 2013 to 2017, the SUV comes with 3 petrol, 3 diesel and 1 hybrid engine options. Between 2015 to 2017, the Range Rover Sport SVR comes with a single petrol engine. From 2017 to present, the Range Rover SVR comes with a single petrol engine. From 2017 to present, the Range Rover Sport comes with 3 diesel engine options. From 2017 to the present, the Range Rover PHEV comes with a single hybrid engine. From 2017 to the present, the Range Rover Sport HST comes with a single petrol engine option. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel SandScratch.